So this is the Lil'Hive. Put the Lil'Hive 1 into hive number 4, which is a brand new apame. So we gotta check to see if we got any food. There's patties. Looks like they haven't even been up there to try them. Let's look here. I have syrup. They are visiting it. So they're queenless, so I gotta be careful that they don't try to murder me, especially since I left all my PPE at the cutout site that I'm working on. Actually, not all of the suit and veil I have is just polluted with their alarm pheromone. So I'm gonna look to see if we have any emergency cells, and they would be on, I think, probably this frame here. So far they haven't, you know, without a queen they could be really on edge. So, let's see if, oh yeah, and they're starting to buzz a little bit already. Let me pull one out to give them some room so I don't roll anybody. Hello. I'm looking for is queen cells. Emergency queen cells. With my screwdriver. I thought it was at least a flat blade screwdriver, but it wasn't. So just real quick, we're gonna look for, see if they're able to make emergency cells in here anywhere. Looks like they're eating that. This, I think, is the one which would have emergency cells on it. Oh, look at all that. So this should be hatching out. Let me see the other side. There we go. We got queen cells. All right, good deal. Got an acorn. Got one acorn. Trying to see if they capped over those other eggs. Yeah, I think they capped over those other ones, so good deal. We're gonna have a queen coming out in a bit. Oh, there's another one. 2 acorns. Okay, so I think I'll just let them both hatch out. And oh wait, this one, no way. Are they building that one still? There's another acorn. This can't be already hatching out. That one's the one that's working on that. But here's one here. It's been, what, 7 days. There's another one. Good deal. Those ones aren't capped. There's 2 capped. There's this one. And the one on the other side. So here's one they're building, but I don't see. Yeah, it's got jelly in it. I'm just gonna let them do it. We'll see what happens. I thought I saw at least one drone where they built a drone. See that? Oh, this one here. Look at that. There's the full one. There's another one here that they're Trying to look to see if there's stuff in there. Yeah, there is. Good deal. They got it under control. Did I put this in the backwards? Dagnam, I hate it when I do that. I think I'm putting it in the wrong way. Keep switching them up. It's terrible doing that. Good deal. They're working it. So they kicked her out and they took care of it immediately. I don't know if this one, my original queen, and cool is that those cells came from my other hive, which is a daughter of my original, one of my original queens, or the original. Uh-oh, they're getting mad. What's that? So they're definitely not touching the fondant, but they are eating the liquid. There's some more. This stuff should be hatching out. All right. Real quick, just look for some slime. That's looking good. That's one I added, so that wouldn't be slimed. These bees got it under control. Lil'Hive is gonna have competing queens here in a minute. There's that old queen cell. That must have been there for a while. This one did have worms on it from the wax moths. Yeah, it looks like I might have got rid of. Yeah, I better get out of here before they get angry. They're being tolerant. Without a queen, they could really get set off. Ugh. Here's that monstrosity. And good, they're eating all that out. Even where I scratched it a little bit, they are eating it. There you go, give them a little something to eat. Oops, I'm dropping shit. And then I need to change the battery in this thing. I think this is the one that the battery has gone out. So I'll go do that real quick. Close this back up for a minute. It's nice out, so we should be okay for a minute. And that fell out, this Govie here. This is the one that got submerged. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of honey. I got a battery for that, so I'm gonna put that in.